people know Stefan's greatness today, but they don't fully understand the doubt and the barriers that he faced as a young, skinny high school athlete who had all the advantages in the world, a father who played for the NBA, yet was almost completely and universally overlooked because he was just small. It's a bit of a sports movie. It's got thrilling sports sequences in it, but it's so much more than that. There's this universal theme of being overlooked, places where we've been in our life where we didn't feel seen or heard. That's something that we all have experienced at one point or another in our lives. And this notion of family, the importance of family and community, is such a universal idea that we knew that would transcend the sports format of the film. What was surprising about him was, this untold story of his relationship to this college, to his friends on that team that were family to him, to his coach, who was a profound mentor for him, and his parents. We spend time with him, his family, his kids, Aisha. We talk to Del and Sonia. We meet Grandma Candy. We meet his cousins, and you really start to get a sense of where this guy came from and that environment, how it shaped him and how it allowed him to have that self-confidence to push through all those doubts and all the doubters who sort of didn't see him when he was at that moment where he could have gone this way or that way. Screening underrated at Sundance is it's a humbling experience. It's exciting. It's moving. It's emotional. For me as a storyteller to be able to share a film collectively with an audience, to have people waiting outside for your film, excited to see it. It's what you work for.